Naghahanap ka ba ng lugar kung saan maaari mong isatisfy ang iyong sweet and savory cravings? Kabalen, Nono's Comfort Kitchen and Bakery is now in Pampanga. Nagbukas na ang kauna-unahang branch nito sa Central Luzon ngayong Miyerkules, June 5. Ito ay matatagpuan sa loob ng LausGroup Complex, Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando.
Maraming pinagmamalaki. Actually, yung mga nasa advertisement natin nakalagay comfort food, no? And bakery. And we are happy and proud that yung Nonos ay nakipag-partner sa atin, no? So, we know you can see the ambience of the place, no? Ang ganda-ganda talaga, and the designer is from Singapore.
May 23 branches na sa buong bansa ang Nonos, at ang branch na ito sa LausGroup Complex ang pinakamalaki at may pinakamagandang interior. Pero maliban sa Instagrammable na dining area, mas babalik-balikan daw talaga sa Nonos ang hatid nitong excellent culinary experience.
It's food that's familiar. So the concept is really like bringing familiar food to the elevating the Filipino palate through comfort food. So yeah, we have dishes like home-style fried chicken, mac and cheese. We also have Filipino favorites like Pinoy beef steak. Our twist on adobo. And then we also have freshly baked pastries, cakes. So we have a little of everything. So it's an all-day dining Filipino comfort food. Yeah.
Ibinida rin ni Maria Teresa Laus, ang president ng MTL Food Group at Senior Executive Vice President ng LausGroup of Companies o LGC, na perfect ang bagong bukas na Nono's branch for small or big functions dahil sa 300 packs capacity nito. At pagdating daw sa pagkain, ito ang kanyang masasabi.
Actually, everything gusto ko no? I cannot say one particular kasi everything I'm tasting, especially yung kanilang pizza also is very good. Yung kanilang steak and the salmon is very good. Meron pa kaya lang, and the cakes of course, no? Talagang they are yummy talaga, masarap na masarap. Gusto namin talaga yung mga may highest standard, no? Highest standard, highest quality. Kaya itong Nonos na ito, for sure po, it will meet the standard of the LausGroup.
Samantala, dahil kilala ang Pampanga bilang culinary capital ng bansa, siniguro ng chef at co-founder ng Nonos na si Baba Ibazeta Benedicto na pasok sa panlasa ng mga Kapampangan ang kanilang food choices.
I don't think it wasn't really a challenge, although we were very mindful of the famous Pampanga dishes. So we veered away from that. But we do believe that we do have something to offer for everyone. It's something universal, it's something familiar, something indulgent. And, we put our twist by, if you could see our restaurant, we really try to make it homey, nothing intimidating. So I think there's always room for everyone, but we're very mindful of the Pampanga cuisine.
Para sa mga nais ma-enjoy yung food offerings ng Nonos, bukas ito Lunes hanggang Linggo from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Mga kabalen, iniimbita po namin kayo dito sa Nonos na come and taste and see yung ambience dito sa Nono. Hindi lang po ang ambience sa maganda, kundi pati po ang mga pagkain at mga bakery products. And for sure po, we will give you the best service.
Well, I would like to invite everyone to visit Nonos. This is actually our first branch in Pampanga, and we're very honored to be here. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
Liana Canilao, CLTV 36 News.